Today, I'll share 3 physical techniques you can use to fall asleep faster. No supplements. No special tools required. As a Korean medicine doctor who has personally struggled with insomnia in the past, I'm confident these tips are both medically grounded and experience tested. They're especially helpful for high achievers, people who constantly push themselves, are easily stressed, and often feel like sleeping is a waste of time. If that sounds like you, listen closely. The first technique is full body relaxation. The idea is to loosen every muscle from head to toe and activate your parasympathetic nervous system, the one responsible for rest and sleep. A lot of people hear about relaxing the body, but don't really know how to do it. Here's a simple way to start. First, massage your neck and shoulders, especially your trapezius muscles, with both hands. Even better if someone can help you, but you can still do a lot by yourself. Gently pull and release the muscles along the sides of your neck with your fingers. Then stretch your neck side to side by tilting your head gently and holding the stretch for a few seconds. People with strong ambition and high stress levels often have tight neck and shoulder muscles. This can block blood flow to the brain, limit oxygen supply, and keep you stuck in a state of alertness. When your neck is relaxed, it's much easier for your whole body to relax and for sleep to come naturally. After you've loosened up your neck, lie down and feel the mattress under your body, from the back of your head to your heels. Notice the texture of your bedding. Is it soft? Smooth? Waking up your sense of touch helps deepen the physical relaxation process. The second thing to check is your breathing. Are you breathing slowly, inhaling gently, and exhaling even slower? You might have heard about the 4-7-8 breathing technique. Inhale for 4 seconds. Hold for 7 seconds. Exhale for 8 seconds. But honestly, counting can sometimes make you even more awake. Instead, just focus on this. Take a slow, deep breath in. Pause naturally. Then exhale even more slowly. Slow breathing activates your parasympathetic system and naturally prepares your body for sleep. But there's another critical point: how you breathe. Are you breathing mainly with your chest? If so, that's called chest breathing, and it can actually keep your neck muscles tight and your body tense. Instead, practice abdominal breathing, also called belly breathing. When you inhale, your belly should gently rise. When you exhale, your belly should fall naturally. If you ever watch a sleeping baby, you'll notice they breathe perfectly with their bellies. We were all born breathing this way, but modern life and chronic stress often push us into unhealthy chest breathing. Correcting your breathing is powerful, not just for sleep, but for your overall health. In Korean medicine, breathing into your lower abdomen also symbolizes gathering and strengthening your vital energy. The third method is a psychological trick I personally use. Instead of trying to fall asleep, try not to fall asleep. Turn off the lights, lie down, and gently focus on the dark ceiling above you. Tell yourself, I'm going to stay awake and just watch the ceiling. You'll find that staying awake like this, doing absolutely nothing, is actually very hard. Soon, drowsiness will naturally take over, and you'll fall asleep without even realizing it. Normally, healthy sleep happens through stages. First drowsiness, then light sleep, then deep sleep. But many people with insomnia skip the drowsiness phase entirely. This trick helps you rebuild that natural process. Also, try to avoid doing any work late at night. Working late keeps your sympathetic nervous system active, the fight or flight mode, and makes it much harder to fall asleep naturally. Give yourself time to unwind before bed. Psychologically, this method shifts your mindset from someone who's constantly pushing and achieving, which is what we call sympathetic activation, to someone who's simply resting and drifting, which is what we call parasympathetic activation. It's a small mental adjustment that can make a big difference. There are many causes of insomnia and many solutions. But today, I've shared 3 simple techniques you can try tonight without needing any external tools or medications. In future videos, I'll explore more factors and solutions for better sleep. I'm Dr. Lee, a licensed Korean medicine doctor based in Seoul. Thanks for watching, and wishing you a peaceful night's rest.